If you're one of them who prefer space, greenery and calm lifestyle, introducing you all with Godrej Parkshire. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Godrej Parkshire, which is located in Whitefield Hoskote corridor in Hoskote, East Bangalore, a project developed by Godrej Properties. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. Before starting our video, let me show you the surrounding and neighborhood of the project, and currently I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance, and now let me show you that the land parcel starts from here itself, and the marketing office is just on my right hand side over here. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project along with the model flats tour as well. Now I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So what are you worrying about? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this miniature. So the project is spread across 13.5 acres of massive land parcel with just 5 residential towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 28 floors, having exclusive 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies in different variants. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located in Whitefield Hoskote corridor in Hoskote, East Bangalore on Malasandra main road. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project, and this is the Malasandra main road. So basically this road on my right hand side will connect you towards Samethanahali, and the opposite side road will take you towards Old Madras Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Delhi Public School in just 5 minutes from the project. Brigade Uptown Mall is 10 minutes away, and Hope Farm Signal is just 20 minutes away from your location. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse, pets park, swimming pool, skywalk, badminton court, basketball court and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project offers you 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies in different variants, where 2 BHK premium is 1050 square feet, 2 BHK Lux is 1200 square feet, 3 BHK premium is 1600 square feet and 3 BHK Lux is 1750 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Godrej Parkshire, located in Whitefield Hoskote corridor in Hoskote, East Bangalore, a project developed by Godrej Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.